Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Now I think you all know my name, but for those who are new to my channel, hi, I'm Karishma, fashion designer and stylist. Now if you are confused what this stylist do, please do watch my previous video. And without wasting further time, let's get on today's video. Today's video is gonna be so much fun and lots of experiments included in this video, because as you guys know how much I love experimenting with my style. And today's video is all gonna be about how I experimented with my nails. If you guys can see how pretty they look right now, especially I just love this pretty gradient effect I created while experimenting. And I hope as much as I was having fun while recording this video, you guys to enjoy it. So let's look at some of my experimented nail arts. was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed those experiments. I hope you loved it, and if you did, please hit the like button. Also, do let me know which was your favorite nail art from the video in the comment section below. Share this video with your friends. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe it and hit the bell button. Until then, sending lots and lots of love to all you out there. And as I always say, keep sharing and spreading love. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.